10,000 tick trap. Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. I'm Bye Bye Money. TGIM. Thank God it's Monday. We're ready to rock and roll today. Already up $183 with a nice little scalp here. Hope you guys are doing amazing. Hope everyone had an amazing weekend. We're starting to stream off right in the green. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Also, drop a GM in the chat if you haven't already. Drop a location as well. Love to know where you guys are from. Good morning, guys. Wayne Bicknell, good morning. Happy Camper, good morning. Mike Richardson, good morning from Charlotte. Blacklight Gypsy, good morning. Mo7, welcome. Wayne Bicknell. North Georgia Mountains. Got a trap trade triggering here. It's tempting. It's honestly pretty tempting. I'm a little tempted here. A little tempted to go long. There's such a strong uptrend already. Makes a trading range. Bounce out the bottom of the trading range. It might be too late already. Jeez. That's any hesitation in the market, you really missed your opportunity. You cannot hesitate. But the very fact that I was hesitating makes me feel like that's a sign I should have gone in. So it's a decent trade to take. Good morning, pandas. Hope everyone is doing amazing. As people roll in, let me know in the chat if you guys did anything interesting over the weekend. We're up solid 1,700 on the leader account, 1,400 on the other accounts. You know what? I'll just wait till market opens. I feel like we can have a very strong move up today. The daily chart showing that we are on a downtrend, and you know, the bear bars are having follow through. We may have a pullback here. Could be very possible. The weekly chart. What the? The weekly chart. Oh, today's the week. Last week, weekly chart, strong bear bar ending on its low. You're thinking follow through actually still on this. And any pullbacks will be small. 10,000 tick chart. Big trading range currently. Big trading range. 10,000 tick chart had a big triangle here. And it does a failed breakdown, comes back up to the top of the triangle, retest it, and then finally breaks down. The big strong move down. And Big Mama triggering as well. That was an off-stream trade I took. Big Mama basically was the only off-stream trade I took on Friday. And then today, I took a 1-to-1 scalp here on this H4 setup. This trap is starting to look good. I mean, it's a decent entry bar here, or decent follow-through bar. I think at this point it's too late. I don't know if it's worth trying to get in. Market's about to open in 9 minutes as well. Hopefully with a little volatility, we can find a couple better setups here. And we've got to break a trend new low. So it's not a bad trade. It's a good setup in my opinion. It's just going in and out of the 20 EMA here, and it feels like we're in a trading range as well, and we could be near the top of it. I just think there's enough room to the top of the trading range. Not saying it can't scalp, but there's some red flags here. I'm just going to sit on my pause. Good morning, everybody. Most 70 said he's long, wide stop. Let's see how well he does. Hopefully he gets it. We could have a bull trend day today. I mean, from the looks of it, it looks like we could. I hate this. I hate when there's a big gap here. But remember, pandas, there's actually a big gap above that needs to be filled. Remember, this is the overnight, right? This is the 2,000 tick chart. In the 2,000 tick chart, it's continuous, right? It's, you know, you have the overnight trading included in here. At least I do. And so you have this gap here actually when the market closed the day before and it opened. There's a gap here, and it has not yet filled. So there's a gap above that we may be targeting here, and I can see this gap filling maybe today. But in doing so, we created a gap below, which is annoying. We created this gap below here, so we also have a gap below. So we're in the land between gaps, and that's kind of where we're trading right now. So I wish this gap wasn't here so I could feel a little more confident to go long. But right now the price action does suggest that we could have a bull trend day today. I'm going to be looking for longs. What can I say? This is why I was interested in this trade. But currently, it seems like trading range. Plus the market's about to open. So I sit on my pause until the market opens. Lindsay. Hello, everyone. I'm not sure if I've seen this name before. Welcome. If you're new to the channel, you're welcome. Hope you enjoy. Hope you enjoy watching this panda make a bunch of mistakes while trading. Yet still being the most profitable trader on YouTube verified. Goodness gracious. I could be done today, pandas. Truthfully, I could be done. A scalp a day keeps the boss away, and I'm up 183. I'm good. I've already met my goal in a sense. But what's the fun in that, pandas? What's the fun in that? What is the fun in that, pandas? Another small goal that we're about to achieve here is the 20,000 sub mark. The 20,000 sub milestone. And I'm going to try to do a big 20K sub special. The last time I did a sub special was at 10K. And so now we doubled that almost. And we're about to do 20K subs. And it's going to happen probably within the next month. And I'm excited for it. I'm going to try to get some nice prizes for you guys. We're going to have a big show. And I hope we get it and you guys can join. It's a win-win for everybody. So just be on the lookout for that. We're about 100 subs away. A little more than 100 subs. Stephen Black, good morning. Gainesville, Georgia. I don't think I've seen this name either. Who are all these new people? Are you guys bots? If you're not a bot, put in the chat that you're not a bot. Say, I'm a human. This scalp actually works out. It might be good. I mean, it looked good to me. I like the setup. And we were... Ranusa says, Black Light Gypsy is completely a bot. He goes, beep, boop. It can't even do a simple task. Steve says, I'm here. Time. Carlos says, I'm a panda bot. I knew it. I knew you guys are all fake. I thought I had the best. This is why you guys were so polite, because you guys are just bots. This is why you guys are the best community on YouTube verified, because you guys aren't humans. The humans of YouTube are terrible people. They are terrible and nonsensical, to be honest. Have you ever tried to reason with a YouTube human? Have you ever tried to reason with them? I'm telling you, it's like trying to reason with like a 2-year-old. It's just, there's no sense. It's a futile endeavor. But you guys are different. You guys are a different breed. You guys are a bot breed. X Blue, I am the bot. Lauren says, I am a machine. you guys are all AI. I knew it. Oh yeah, Reddit's impossible. But every once in a while, in like a Reddit thread, you'll get like a okay response. But YouTube comments, YouTube chat, it's unbearable, intolerable. But you guys are all right. You guys are all right. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Hope you guys are ready. Hope your mental focus, your mental capital is replenished. over this weekend. Hope you guys had an amazing weekend. We are back. TGIM, guys. Thank God it's Monday. Why do we say that? Why do we say TGI? Usually it's TGIM. TGIM because we're finally back doing what we love most, trading futures with the community we love most. The best community on YouTube, verified. The bot community. Mark Patterson says, I'm down in Marietta. Well, Apex 50K challenge number. I can't even read that because the stupid heart in the YouTube chat, like, this is the worst future on YouTube. You guys should all put a complaint on YouTube saying that this heart is just in the worst location possible. I can't even finish the sentence. I don't know what number that is, but I'm going to say, thank you for pressing the heart. Yes, pressing the heart does not help anything. Number one. Okay. It was a 1 this whole time. After several tops and fails, wish me luck. Hey, good luck, Mark. Good luck, Mark. Get ready. Get ready for a wild ride with Apex. Get ready for wild rides with 90% off Apex. It's just insane. It's free money. It's like legitimately free money. It's incredible. For those who are just like a little bit above average in trading, you can capitalize on this free money. Good morning, Peter. Peter Cho, welcome, guys. Welcome. I think we're gonna have a bull trend today, Pandas. I think we could seriously have a bull trend. We have a gap above that needs to fill this blue line. I think eventually, maybe this week we'll fill it. I think we will. Also, Pandas, something to note. It is the day before the last day of the month. So there will be a monthly candle closing tomorrow. And whatever that means to you. That means, see, we do get a nice scalp here. It was a good setup. I just didn't feel 100% on it. I liked it a lot, but I didn't feel 100% on it. I should have taken it. It was a good setup. I would have taken a 1-to-1 as well, and the 1-to-1 was made. Jeez, all right. It's all good. It's all good. All right, yes. Hey, I'm green. Let's go. It sucks to miss those opportunities. Market's about to open. 15 seconds. Let's get some more setups, Pandas. We're going to be patient today. We're going to let the setups come to us. No FOMO. No homeowner association fee. No FOMO. No homeowner. It doesn't even make sense, Pandas. Nice push up. I mean, bull trend day today, Pandas. I'm looking for longs if we can get it. Let's see. No FOMO, no homeowner. Yeah, it doesn't even make sense. But you know what I mean. Second entry long. Trading range indicator telling us we're in a trading range as well. Let's not jump the gun, but let's try to capitalize on this bull trend. If we can get okay, no setup. Okay, cool. It might be a first entry bull trend here. That sucks because it's very hard to enter on first entry bull trends. What I mean by first entry bull trends, like the only way you can enter in is the first entry. Every reversal. It's very difficult because there is a low probability trade. Yeah, that's the only way to enter this bull trend. Eager. I got FOMO. I have some FOMO. No homeowner. I don't know. That was a setup here with a nice runner. You would be doing well right now. Uh, am I gonna get canceled? Am I gonna get canceled? Yeah, it's too late, Pandas. I'm already canceled. I'm already in the shadow realm when it comes to YouTube because of you guys, because of you, because of the chat. All because of you guys. I'm already in the shadow realm. Always spouting out that MAGA. Always writing MAGA in the chat. But you know why? Because on this stream, MAGA doesn't mean what you think it means. On this chat, it means make account green again. And we are already in the green, Pandas. We are well in the green. Just a first entry bull trend. I cannot enter this, Pandas. No opportunities here. It's gonna be difficult. I need a pullback. I need something. I need something else. I need a second entry long. That's what I'm looking for, Pandas. This is a first entry longs. Like all first entries. I don't know. I mean, should I go long here? Should I just buy? That's insane. But the people are doing it. Bulls are doing it. They're just buying. They're buying anything. It's just incredible. I don't have the cojones for this. Maybe with like an MES contract. Maybe with a micro I can do it. But not with a mini. This is it's just too scary, right? The stop has to be too large. Probability seems too low. I don't know. Low probability. Bad risk reward. It just doesn't sound like a good trade to me, but man, people are doing it. It's insane. People are straight up just buying anything and everything. I mean, you should join the crowd. Like, I should just be buying here, but I don't have the cojones. I can't. I don't have the cojones. I don't do it. I can't do it. This is why I love when people put in the chat their location, because people connect. You know, they feel a sense of a tighter community because they're like, whoa, like I'm from there too. I got neighbors watching. Again, another first entry. I can't get in here. There's no entries for me, Pandas. Let me know if you're making money. Jeez. I'm already green today, so I'm not like super in a rush, but jeez, this is hard. 5-minute chart, strong bull bar, ending on its high, super big gap. Jeez, oh man, I don't know. I need to see follow through on this green bar, on this bull bar. I need to see some follow through for me to start entering long, like willy nilly. We got a 5-minute Big Mama about a trigger as well. I'll take in a second attempt only on that 5-minute Big Mama. Second entry long, of course, is what I'm looking for right now. This is a super strong bull trend. Bull trend all day today. Like, you can buy anywhere, hold it with a big enough stop, and you'll make money. That's like potentially the kind of day we're gonna have today. One of those 1% days, and we're calling it. My cojones are too soft, too malleable. I cannot enter. I cannot do it. I need a setup. Give me a second entry long. Give me something more than a first entry here, please. Give me a second entry long here. I'm in. Second entry long, I'm in long. Give me second entry long. Two-legged pullback here. Off the 20 EMA, please. Please. Give me something. We're not going to get it. Pandas, we can't even get a second entry long. This is what I'm saying. It's a first entry bull trend. I can't get in. I can't. Can you blame me? Can you blame me not wanting to go long right here? Can you blame me not going long anywhere here? Waiting for a pullback. Can you blame me for that? Can you blame me for being patient? Oh, this is where being patient as you heard of. No FOMO, pandas. No FOMO, no homeowner. Association fee. See, if you don't have FOMO, oh man, look at that. Look at that. Pandas, this is just a bull trend ripping into the heavens. And I have no entries here. All first entries. What a trade. I mean, if you took this with a runner here, this trap, you definitely could be done for today. Big Mama bought a trigger on the 5-minute chart. I will only take it on the second attempt, though. So, sorry if it makes it on this one. I will take it here, though. What a move. Just what a move. Look out. I am ready to take this. I'm ready to take this. Big Mama here. Black Light Gypsy's already up 1,159 on 5 accounts. Let's go, baby. Congratulations. Peter Joseph went off long, off the bounce, off the EMA. Okay. That works. Whatever setup you have to go long, that was it, right? We're kind of calling it like a strong bull trend day today. I was just waiting for a setup. Never got one. Not my setup, at least. We had a nice setup here. I was really interested in this one. It's just I didn't pull the trigger. I didn't do it. Let's see if we can get a second entry long here. I think I'll be interested. What I'm looking for. 2 legs down. A, B, C. 2 legs down. So I'm looking for, in order to go long here, being patient. Patient as possible, at least. Okay, pandas. Hey. I'll take it. Second entry long. I'll take it. Gonna measure move here. Oh, shoot. It already triggered. Wasn't even ready. It's a second entry long. I'm just going long. Long setup on the super strong bull trend. Give me a second entry long. Any opportunity to go long, I'm gonna try. It's looking a little sus. I'm not gonna lie. It's looking a little bit sus, but my risk is so small. I do not even care. I almost will tempt it again if this reverses to go long again. My general rule of thumb is to come out break even if it ever reverses like this. But we're supposed to strong uptrend. I'm just gonna hold it. See what happens. Let's go, baby. Got that scalp. 2.5 points. Up 304 pandas across 4 counts. I mean, you do the math. 4 times 300 is obviously $1,200, pandas. Quick maths. I didn't even need a calculator. We're done for today. Tell me anything else in your life. In 15 minutes, you can make $1,200. I don't know. If you have something else, let me know. But honestly, I don't. Okay, so you guys really took my question seriously and started answering. It says that you can become a cocaine dealer to make money, $1,000 in 15 minutes. DX says his OnlyFans he can make $1,200 in 15 minutes. Emmanuel Martinez, drug dealer. Iron Cruz says hitman, cartels. I appreciate it. You guys are just full of life advice. You guys should be life coaches. You guys are geniuses, actually. It's incredible. The type of intelligence and IQ in this chat. It's incredible. You guys are so smart. Iron Cruz, weapon arm dealer, of course. Why didn't I think of these things? What am I doing trading futures when I have these obvious other options that I could do? Pierre says, I'm up a lot today. Make up for Friday's crash and burn. Actually, it doesn't. Still pushing up. This unrelenting. It's just a relentless, just strong bull move up. I'm a little hesitant to take this big mama because it's such a, it's just a such an exhaustive move. I don't know, pandas. This big mama, it's getting a little more sus. I would like a deep pullback before big mama triggers, but we're going straight up to it. So yeah, it is what it is. Let's see if we can get it. It was another second entry long here. Pretty hysterical, but we got another second entry long that triggers and it makes another scalp. Whatever. Very cool. And you can tell how strong this bull move is because it doesn't even touch the 20 EMA. We haven't even touched the 20 EMA. We are hovering above it. Jeez. I kind of would like a nice pullback before really hitting Big Mama here. We're about 700 away from withdrawal. Getting closer and closer. There is a big gap that we need to fill here. This blue line, sorry, you might be able to see it. This blue line here is a gap that we may need to fill. We're getting closer and closer to Big Mama, but we are so exhausted here. It's so sus. But this, I cannot resist. I have to take it. I just have to take this. Even without a pullback, I gotta take it. I gotta attempt it. The daily chart. Yeah, I gotta try. I gotta try. Lofi says, "How can you make sure that all positions are closed before end of the day? Because I lost my counts even though I closed everything, and there was no order on my chart." Huh? That's interesting. That's I don't know. If all your orders are closed, then I would just reach out to the Apex and says I didn't have my orders. Apex should automatically close your orders, but there is a flatten all. You know, if you right click, you can flatten everything. Right click on your chart. Sorry, on the chart trader, which is the little area where you can select what count you're going to trade, your ATM strategy. That little area there, you can right click and you can flatten everything there. There's also a way to do it if you um, if you go to positions in the control center, then you can also flatten everything there too. And you can also see or your orders. You can also see your orders, see what are open orders. You can cancel all orders on the orders tab. I mean, there's a couple ways to do it. That just sucks. Bill7 says, I made 1K. Wish it wasn't in the sim account. Just trade like that regularly. I don't know. DX says, easy. Sign up for my course to learn how to make more than 1,215 minutes. Half price for today only at 3,485. Usual price 6,000. I don't know what's going on, but I got it. I get it. There's another way you can do it by scamming people. I got you. This is insane. 10,000 tick chart. Really? Just all bull bars. You got one bear bar, no follow through. 5 minute. Hitting the 240 SMA now. This big mama is sus. I really think it's sus. And it's very difficult to not feel sus about this one. But I can't skip it, pandas. I gotta try. The Apex website does have a flatten all function. I think that is probably one of the better ways to do it, just because you can prove to Apex that you try to flatten your positions and they'll have a timestamp. So even if it doesn't work, you can say, I pressed this button and it didn't work, but here is a proof I pressed a button. You can look on your side, the record of when I pressed the button and so forth. So if you really are having trouble closing your position, you just don't know, that is probably the best way, just because Apex will have proof on their side showing that you tried. And it was it was an issue with their function, not with you pressing the button. Mike Richards, I'm up 500 on my PA, 875 on my event. Let's go, baby. Congratulations. That's what I want to hear. Being high, being up more. Well, actually, you're up more than you, but being up 560, being up more than me, I love to hear it. Even though I'm a little jealous. Hey, I love to hear you guys making money. On this channel, if people make money, we celebrate no matter what. Because people's performance, how well they do, has no bearing on how well you do personally. It does not affect you at all. So, why let it bother you? Just be happy. You can be happy for a fellow panda, fellow human being, fellow brother and sister, made in the image of God. Come on. You can do it. Just be happy. Be happy. I'm happy. Pandas. Okay, I like this pullback. What can I say? I actually like this pullback. I'm glad we're getting it. Before Big Mama triggers. Fellow robot. Fellow bot. We're underneath the 20 EMA now. You would say at this point, any pullback will most likely be small. So even if we have a pullback, it's not gonna last very long. I don't think. This actually makes an outside bar reversal, creating a second entry long here. Hitting a second entry long. Blacklight Gypsy's up 1888 so far, 1111. See, this is the thing. You know you have that one bad day? Well, you have that one good day too. And the thing is, you just gotta last long enough so you have that one good day. You gotta just make sure, you gotta prevent yourself from the worst, right? Busting your accounts on that one bad day, you gotta prevent yourself from doing that. I'm not looking for any shorts right now, Pandas. I'm not looking for any shorts. Even if we get a short setup, I'm not looking for it. I think here at this point, I'm just waiting for Big Mama to trigger. DX says, I have an average of one good day for every one bad year. You know what? It's kind of funny, but I honestly think that's true for a lot of people. Mo 7, getting that 17-pointer. Let's go, baby. You got to hold it for that 20 points, you know, so that one contract is $1,000. It always feels nice when you get a 20-pointer. Because you know that one contract just made you 1,000. But if you're trading with Apex as well, then, like, if you're still in the trailing threshold, then I can understand. Like, you don't want to swing trade too much. Okay, got a little pullback. I don't mind that. I don't mind that little pullback. I think we're always in long still on the 5-minute chart. Edwin Cruz up 250. Pandas, you guys are all killing it today. Hey, it must have been a good weekend. You guys must have had a good weekend because you guys are all making bamboo. I love it. I love it. I love it. This is for you guys. In that bamboo. Start the week off nice. Just make sure you guys don't lose it during the Pandas. Let me remind you that this Wednesday is the big kahuna. The big kahuna news. We got FOMC. We do have news tomorrow as well. Let me go over the news this week actually while you guys are here. Tomorrow 8:30 a.m. we got employment costs index quarter over quarter. We also have tomorrow at 10 a.m. CB consumer confidence. Wednesday is the big one. 8:15 you have ADP non-farm employment change. 10 a.m. ISM manufacturing PMI JOLTS job openings. 2 p.m. federal funds rate FOMC statement. 2:30 p.m. FOMC press conference. I mean, Wednesday is the big kahuna. Just be ready for it. We got a big mama about to trigger here. Thursday, unemployment claims at 8:30 a.m. Friday, 8:30 a.m. Average hourly earnings month over month. Non-farm employment change. Unemployment rate. 10 a.m. ISM service people. It's like the market was waiting for this week for all this news. Absolutely insane how much news is this week. But Wednesday is the big kahuna. Ishan Kumar says, "What's your strategy for drawing from PAs?" I like to take out minimum until I have 5,000 buffer. I take out the minimum every chance I can just to protect that bamboo, to guarantee that bamboo. Also pays off whatever cost that you had to gain your PA counts or whatever. So I like to get minimum, until I get $5,000 buffer, and then I start to only withdraw up to 5,000. So I always have 5,000 in my accounts. The reason why I like to have 5,000 in my accounts is because that's enough for me, right, to trade one Emini, right? That's enough buffer for me to trade one Emini. Yeah, Daniel says I paid a PA on Saturday, but still hasn't. Yeah, you need to sign the Panda doc. If it hasn't been activated, so something happened. Okay, another pullback. I don't mind the pullbacks, Pandas. This is the bamboo for you guys. A little ASMR for you. Nathaniel Feather says Panda doc wasn't sent. It will be in the same email as the payment fee.
10,000 tick trap.
Oh, they're not using Panda doc anymore. Am I wrong? Huh. Interesting. Oh, that's news to me. Oh. Hey. Sorry for the fake news. Last 5 PAs just through the website. All right, you guys. Let's just say I haven't paid for a PA in a while, just cause. Yeah, no, I'm not losing them.
Tick trap.
Let's just say that. Or I'm not getting them. Hope you guys are enjoying this bamboo ASMR action. It's apple season from where I'm from, and oh man, these apples are amazing. What in the world? Like drugs. Ugh, I need some more. Second entry long, but now kind of beneath the 20 MA, clearly beneath the 20 MA. So I'm not looking for a long trade here.
10,000 tick trap.
But I still like the pullback before Big Mama triggers. Jonathan says, "Hey Panda, are you dressing up tomorrow for some Halloween trading?" Yeah, I'll dress up as a human. I'll dress up as a human for you guys. Hugh says, "Honey Crisp apples are the best." I mean, Honey Crisp is top tier. S tier apple for sure. What other S tier apples are there? Pandas, what's your apple list? Give me some apple lists so I can put on the poll, see what people's favorite apples are. I mean, Honey Crisps are definitely there. Let's see. That's news to me. I wish I didn't know about the Panadoc thing. I'm trying to figure out more information about Panadoc. What a move down. Trap trade triggers here. You can see that. Decent move down. Looks like more like a trading range though about to form rather than a strong reversal, but we'll see. Interesting. Interesting news about the panda dog thing. I don't know. I gotta find more information about that. 10,000 tick chart, touching the 20 MA. 5-minute chart. Notice it bounced off the 240 SMA. This is why I have the 240 SMA. 240 SMA is simply the 20 SMA on the hourly chart. And I like to have it on my charts here, just because there's often a lot of reactions off that 20 SMA. So 240 SMA is just the 20 SMA on the hourly. We're getting a nice bounce off of it right now. This could be a reversal, I don't know. Alright, let's see what apples you guys are talking about. Granny Smith, get that Granny Smith out of here, please. I mean, Honey Crisp, definitely. Fuji is good. Golden Delicious, it's good when they're amazing. Pear apples. Or pear apples. Is that the actual name of the apple? Pear apple? Sounds like some hybrid. Phil X saying something wild, saying Granny's dipped in salt and peppers. What in the world are you doing? That should be illegal. What? Pircho says, okay, I'm happy, gonna keep my profits, shut it down. Hey, you're doing the smart thing. Protect your profits. What in the world is a Sakai Ichi apple? Never heard of that. What is a Sakai Ichi apple? What is this? I don't know what this is. Is it one of those like crazy Japanese apples that are super expensive? Whoa, they're $20 each. Okay, I don't know if I can even put that in the list. Alright, what's the best apple? Honey Crisp. I mean, that's definitely up there, right? You got Fuji. You got Golden Delicious. I need one more, pandas. I need one more. I need one more decent apple. Granny Smith? I never eat those. Those are disgusting. Granny Smith, I guess I'm putting it up there, but man, I don't know. It's because it's popular. Gala? I don't know, I put Gala. I don't. I put Gala there. All right, pandas. Let's see if you guys are sane or not. There is a correct answer, by the way. There is a correct answer. Meanwhile, oh, this is so good. What in the world? Thinking about this trap. This is why I gotta wait for the setup. No joy in that setup. Pass. Skip it. Looking for a new low now. Okay. Interesting. Makes this double bottom. Curious to see what happens here. It looks like we're turning to a trading range now. Right, all these overlapping bars over here, these overlapping bars here, making me think we're starting to convert to a trading range. Most times I notice a negative correlation between gold and the ES. I might try to use it to my advantage. I don't know if that's the smartest thing. Sometimes they correlate, sometimes they are opposite. Or negative. Positive correlation, negative correlation. Sometimes it just depends. I think it's more of a closer correlation to the dollar. Right? When the dollar is weak, gold goes up. When the dollar is strong, gold goes down. Iron Chris NQ and ES correlate. Did you? Thank you for that. Did you know the E-mini and the micro E-mini correlate? Did you guys know that? All right, we're going down, up, down. I actually would like one more leg down here. I like this leg down to complete this two-legged pullback before we fully reverse here, and then we look for another trap. Look for a nice trap trade here. It's a strong, pretty strong reversal. I'm not gonna lie, pretty strong bounce off a resistance on the 5-minute chart. 10,000 tick chart. We're bouncing on the 20 EMA right now, creating a second entry long opportunity. Let's see if we get it. I think the 10K chart really, you know, it's looking still pretty strong. I mean, just on the 20 EMA. Okay, well, here's the second leg, which I was waiting for. And then what happens here, I don't know. Well, let's see what happens here. I'm not taking the second entry short, that's for sure. Alright, because we got to break a trend new low. On an uptrend. On the, you know, on the bigger time frame uptrend. Our setup right here, our dream setup is this right here, pandas. If we get it, I'm going to be dreaming. Let's see if we get it though, pandas. Bobby C says, Panda, once you hit your profit goal with rhythmic, should you trade micros? It depends if you're talking about PA counts or evals. With evals, yes, 100%. With PAs, it really depends on what you mean by goal. I mean, a lot of people, when they say goal, when it comes to PA counts, they are referring to getting to that withdrawal amount, which is for the 50K account, $2,600 in profit. So once these accounts, top left of your screen, once those accounts turn to $52,600, we are in withdrawal city. We can withdraw, and you know, that's kind of, you know, the first step you need to get to when trading PA accounts. You need to get to that withdrawal amount, and then your thresholds turn static, which means that it opens the doors for more swing trading, and you're ready to rock and roll. And you literally, for EVAs, you literally trade one micro contract. You get in and out of it. Like, you just get in and out of it, and then you don't. It's not like you actually try to start trading. You just get in and out, and, you know, get your 10 days. And when it comes to evals, that's what you do. Edwin Cruz says, so once you get to 2,600, you still run it to 5K. Yes. So for me, I still trade because my goal is not just to get withdrawal. My goal is to get to 5K and have a 5K buffer and start withdrawing from the 5K. So I keep trading after 2,600. I keep trading. I mean, I just always just trade unless the day is bad. But really, my goal is to get to 5K and keep it above 5K. That's the idea. Interesting. 5-minute chart now is actually reversing to a point where we're almost back to the open. We're almost back to the open. Huh. I mean, big up, big down. Trading range. And Chris, and you do 500 or 1K withdrawal on the 5K. I do the minimum, $500. I actually like the fact that they do $500 withdrawals now. It's actually really nice. I do minimum until I get more than 5K, and then whatever I have beyond 5K, I start taking off. So let's say I have $6,000, then I will withdraw $1,000. Right? If I made $5,500, then I will withdraw $500. I'll just keep evening out at 5K. This uptrend, pandas, I don't know if this uptrend is an uptrend anymore. It just looks like a big trading range. Goodness, that moved down. Wow.
Bears are coming back with a vengeance now.
Bulls are trapped.
Bulls are trapped.
Might test the 5-minute 20 EMA. Should be a good bounce. It's a shame that we're so far away from Big Mama. Not that we're going to trigger it so we can actually get some content, but
we'll see. Pandas, make sure you guys scalp that like button. Currently, you're watching the most profitable trader on YouTube, verified. I do it all risk-free, trading Apex with my prop firm. Absolutely incredible. We're BBM 90 Pandas. Right now, it's $16 to get a 50K account. And, I mean, if you can't afford $16 to trade $50,000 to get $50,000 funded, I don't know. I think you might have to question your risk reward, your risk assessment. It's such a good deal, Pandas. Take advantage of it while it lasts. It's gonna end on November 7th, so take advantage of it, especially because there's big news coming up this Wednesday. So what I like to do is I like to stock up on them, and then I like to, if I know I'm trading news on Wednesday, I see the big news. You can look at any website like Forex Factory. There's a couple websites out there. I use Forex Factory. I think it's one of the better ones, and you see that there's big news on a certain day, and you say, okay, well, let me stock up on these evals right now while they're cheap and start trading micros on them until the big news day. And then when the big news day happens, get the news and then, pass the eval and then finish off the trading days with micros. And then you're funded. And the earlier you start, the better, because the quicker you get funded. That's the plan, Pandas. And this Wednesday is it. I mean, honestly, this week, there's almost news every single day that's big enough to really move the market. If you guys don't know, with 50K account, you need a 6-point move, essentially. You need a 6-point move in order to pass your evals with a less than a 5-point drawdown.
that's it, Pandas. You get it.
Right now, we're doing a series called "A Scalp a Day Keeps the Boss Away" because we got 4 funded accounts. So these counts are funded right now, top left of your screen. And the reason why I have 4 counts is because I want to show with 4 counts, you can make life-changing money. All you need is a scalp a day, because with 4 counts, if you can make $100 a day, which is the average you make on a scalp, then you can essentially in 1 year make 6 figures. I mean, the math is simple. You have 4 accounts, 4 times 250, which is how many trading days are in a year, equals 1,000. And 1,000 times the average you make per day was, say, $100, because a scalp is about $100. Then at the end of 1 year trading, you can make $100,000, Pandas. $100,000. So scalp a day keeps the boss away. That's the series we're doing now. Hope you guys enjoy it. Right now, we're up on our accounts at 51,865. Basically, we have $1,865 in profit, 1,540 on the other 3, and then we need about $2,600 in profit in order to withdraw. And so we are slowly getting there.
Pandas, this is a marathon. It's not a sprint. So we're just slowly trying to get there, getting that scalp a day. We got our 2 scalps already up 300, up a total $1,200 today, and we're killing it. We're killing it, Pandas. Just stick to the plan. We're trying to stick to that. Is the name of the game. Stick to the plan. Good things will happen to you. Prevent yourself from going on tilt. Prevent yourself from gaining FOMO. Right? No FOMO, no homeowners. No homeowners association fee. Don't forget, Pandas.
You guys are actually giving me some solid advice. I'm not going to intervene, but yes, if you're new, my advice to you, if you're new and you just started, trade micros. Trade micros until you can prove yourself to be profitable. And I mean trade micros on the sim account. Uh, I guess you could trade real money, but actually it doesn't really matter if it's sim account. But if you're trading real money, either with the eval or with your actual money, trade micros until you can become profitable with micros. It's actually harder to be profitable with micros than it is with Emini. The main reason being because the commission, the ratio to the commission versus how much money you can make on a tick is worse on the micro than it is on the mini. Surprisingly, you're still profitable even one tick on the micro. It's not gonna last that. It's not gonna last that long though. Sooner or later, one tick on the micro won't even be profitable, which sucks. Which really does suck. The commissions just keep going higher and higher and higher. Lou the Writer, welcome. Marcus Vaughn, welcome. Marcus Vaughn asks what level do I have? The level is 4185. Basically Big Mama. Right, daily chart. Previous day's high. But we bounced, we reversed close to there. And we're kind of making some big progress now on the downside. Touching the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. I think it can bounce off here. I think it's high potential to bounce off here. It's quite a strong downtrend. I wasn't ready for that move down, to be honest. Ooh, BB, just subscribed. Appreciate it. Thanks for your support. Getting closer and closer to that 20,000 sub mark. About 100 subs away from 20K. About 100. Very close.
Still moving down. Still clear underneath the 20 MA. Still on a downtrend. I don't know what I'm looking for here now. Guess I'm looking for a short, but no setups. All first entries, you can tell because there's no dark red number until right here. This dark red number means this is a second entry short. Right? These are all first entries, right? You get one leg here, one leg here, one leg here, one pullback essentially. You get two pullbacks here, one pullback, first entry, second pullback. So here you get a second entry short, and this is where the indicator comes in handy, where it tells you that this is a two-legged pullback. I wouldn't be surprised if today's on the daily chart we get an inside bar. Inside bar on the daily chart because we got big news coming up tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Big news coming up. I mean, the big kahuna again Wednesday. Just be ready for it, pandas. Black Light Gypsy says, where are we meeting for the party? It'll be a stream. We'll do like a 20K sub special stream. That'd be very nice. Second entry short, clearly underneath the 20 MA. But we're riding along the 5-minute 20 MA now, and I think we're going to get a bounce off of it. Hard to go short here, in my opinion. Obviously, anything can happen. Honey Crisp wins the vote by quite a large margin. I mean, it was an obvious answer. Honey Crisp are good. There's a one that's not as popular called Evercrisp. I think it's just as good or might be slightly better than a Honey Crisp. It's called Evercrisp. Look at the 10,000 tick chart. I mean, this is just a limit order market right now. And people are, oh my god. Look at this, like perfect pattern here. Just like a couple ticks before it reaches the high. People are just selling limit orders. A couple ticks beneath the previous candle's low. You got limit orders buys here. It's just looking like an insane type of flag. By the way, this is a bullish pattern here. Very bullish. Right, spiking channel essentially. Spike channel. Justin Fast says best Apple MacBook Pro. Kyle Luber says why wasn't Pink Lady Apples involved? No one said it. No one suggested it. Question is, where were you when it was asked? That is the actual question. 9% on Gala apples? Come on. I knew it wouldn't be popular.
Oh, this market has kind of died out. We entered a limit order market, which is always difficult to trade with stop orders. Right? When you have a limit order market, you should not be trading stop limit orders. You have to wait till the limit order market is done. I'm just staying away from this right now, pandas. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are not getting chopped up here. Or perhaps maybe you are the one chopping up people. Maybe you're that ninja sniper scalper that's taking the limit order trades here back and forth on this small range. Too advanced for me. Christopher Lopez says, I'm surprised Moist Critical hasn't done an Apple tier list. His tier lists are pretty funny. I think I watched... What's the one I watched recently? Was it like Pumpkin Spice or something like that? Honestly, you probably could start an entire channel just reacting to Moist Critical. A Moist Critical reaction channel. You got a trap trade here. The reason I'm not taking it is because it's just too choppy.
10,000 tick trap.
It's too choppy. Too many limit orders waiting above here. I can see with the price action. I don't need book flow, order flow, whatever book orders. I don't need any of that. So I can see the price action here that there are a bunch of limit orders waiting up here. That's all I need to see is the price. Trap trade about a trigger on a 10,000 tick chart. Right, we got a trap here. Do I like it? Not really. Not really. All right, first break a trend, too far away from 20 MA, in a limit order market. It's just not my trade. Like I mentioned, there's a bunch of limit orders here, and I could see that by the price action. I don't need book map orders, map flow, flow orders, flow books. I don't need any of that stuff. You can just see with the price action.
Trap does trigger on 10,000 tick chart.
Like I mentioned, still, it's not the price action I'm looking for though. Lower high here. It's too choppy. There's just too much overlap here. Lower high triggers on the 5-minute chart.
Very interesting.
I mean, it creates a second entry long on the 5-minute.
About the trigger.
I'm more inclined to take the second entry long on the 5-minute than the trap on the 10,000 tick. But there's not much confluence between any of the charts. Just a little bit confused. And I think the reason why is because if you look at the price action, look at this. I mean, this is not tradable in my opinion. So when you see stuff like this, you walk away. You exercise, you take a walk, you grab a bite to eat, catch up with a friend, cure cancer, do something. It's just when it does this, anything else is more productive than staring at the market. Than anything will be more productive than just staring at this market. Pretty much anything. Just stare at a wall. That may be more productive than this. I may take the second entry long on the 5-minute. I may be tempted.
$10,000 tick trap.
Pikachu, 5-minute.
Second entry long. I kind of like this trade.
I
like it, but still choppy. I don't know. This is tough. This one's tough.
Christopher Lopez says, "What's your favorite movie as of late?" Good question. I don't know. I mean, as of late. What do you mean by as of late? I mean, I love the Batman movies. We got Christopher Nolan. The Christopher Nolan ones. Let me be very clear. Christopher Nolan Batman movies. A lot of Christopher Nolan stuff is probably up there. Interstellar was very good. I'm trying to think what other movies I've been wowed by. There was one movie that kind of really took me by surprise. Was Puss in Boots, the second one, I guess. I don't know what it's called. Last Wish or Last Life or something. Last Wish, I think. That movie actually blew me away, and it's probably one of the best movies out there right now. It's such a good story. It was just animated well. The dialogue was amazing. Hey man, it says, "Are you still the most profitable trader on YouTube? Verified, 100%. Look at this. I'm up already, a couple $1,000 with my rhythmics up. Verified. Any movie that came out recently? I don't know. What's something good? I don't even know what came out recently. Well, let me look at a list.
$10,000 tick trap.
Hold up. Saw X is at 79%. How's that possible? Oh, Super Mario Bros. Was pretty good. Let me look at the... What's good? Some movies. Well, why is it so hard to find like a list of like recent movies? We are crashing and burning right now, Pandas. What is going on? 5 minute looks like now wants to fill the gap. I thought we get some sort of support on the 20 MA. You can push up.
10,000 tick trap.
I don't know. I'm looking at this list. There's nothing here. Meg 2. Greatest movie of all time. High or low? This could be a good trade here. This is a little too choppy for me. High or low setup. Second entry long. Last trade of the stream. It is a wild one though, Pandas. I'll tell you that much. This is a wild trade. Do not copy my trades. Trade at your own risk. This one's going to be crazy. I'm going to say that right now. This is a bit sus. It's going to be a bit crazy. In this trade.
$10,000 tick trap.
It's a wild one. It's a wild one, like I said. It's going to be a wild one. Coming up break even. I'm too scared. It reversed on me. I don't know what's happening. Pandas, that's it for today. That's it for today, Pandas. I'm doing weird stuff. And that's when you gotta step away and realize you're doing some weird stuff.
doing something so sus.
Let's get out of here. Pandas, let's be happy with our 312. I'm happy with it. We got green. We got some bamboo today. Let's go, baby. Take it.
Wow, what a skunk. What a skunk. Skunk of the year.
Anyways, Panda, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Hey, remember, there's news at 8:30 a.m. Please be aware of that. You could lose your accounts. You could be way negative. If you don't know you're in a news trade, just know that 8:30 a.m. tomorrow there will be news. Please be aware of that. And take advantage of BBN 90 while you still can. With all that being said, Pandas, hey, let me do a quick recap. Quick recap of what's happened here.
We got a nice little scalp here early on. And we got a nice second entry long. You know, with a 1-to-1 risk reward. I'll take it, Pandas. I'll take it.
And that's it.
You know, we're up 300.
And honestly, you need one scalp a day to keep the boss away. We got 2 nice ones. So I can't complain. Especially when it started getting very choppy towards the end of the day. Right here. Just became super chop, no trade zone. And now I'm trying to trade in it. So I gotta step away. Pandas, I hope you guys do amazing.
Make sure you guys subscribe.
You know, we're so close to 20,000 subs.
I want to celebrate with you guys.
And it'll be good for you guys too, because
We'll get some nice little prizes. And yeah, it'll be a great time. So, Pandas.
all that being said, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow, 9:15 for the mainstream, 9 o'clock for the pre-market show. Trade safe, everybody. And as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.
$10,000 tick trap.